Top 5 Best Food Processors. Number 5. Ninja SS401 Blender and Food Processor Combo. The Ninja SS401 Blender and Food Processor Combo isn't just a kitchen tool. It's a daily workhorse dressed in sharp edges and smarter engineering. With a 1600 peak watt motor and smart torque technology, it doesn't stall or struggle, no matter how tough the job. Frozen mangoes, raw carrots, or a block of nuts. This machine turns them into silk without breaking a sweat. Its XL smoothie bowl maker and nutrient extraction cup are built for those who treat breakfast like a ritual. Smoothie bowls come out thick, creamy, and beautifully blended without drowning in liquid. The feed chute lid and select cut discs bring precision to slicing and shredding, though yes, the potato slot could be roomier. The dough blade is a quiet revelation. Most never realize their blender can knead until Ninja shows them how. Cleanup, however, reminds you that those tall blades demand careful handling unless you trust the dishwasher. Compact yet commanding, it's a rare mix of muscle and mindfulness. A machine that makes kitchen creativity feel effortless, even for someone who cooks seven days a week. Coming in number 4, Hamilton Beach Food Processor. The Hamilton Beach Food Processor doesn't just chop, it conquers. Sleek in stainless steel and built with a 450 watt motor, it turns kitchen prep from a chore into a small victory. The 10-cup bowl holds more than enough for family dinners, and the 2.5-inch feed chute fits a whole zucchini or block of cheese without pre-cutting. Small mercy for anyone who hates prep work. Its 4 attachments cover the full spectrum: spiralize, shred, slice, chop, and puree. The spiral and ribbon blades turn vegetables into art, while the stainless steel S-blade handles everything from salsa to nut butter with precision. And yes, it nails the texture, neither mush nor chunk, just that satisfying middle ground. Stability comes from suction cup feet, cleanup from dishwasher-safe parts, and peace of mind from BPA-free materials. It's loud enough to remind you it means business, but power like this rarely whispers. For anyone chasing quick prep, clean cuts, and guilt-free spiralized glory, this Hamilton Beach machine earns its countertop space, and maybe a small bow of respect every time it turns carrots into confetti. Coming in number 3, Vitamix Explorian E310 Blender. The Vitamix Explorian E310 is proof that simplicity, done right, still outperforms the flashiest tech. With a 2-horsepower motor and laser-cut stainless steel blades, it doesn't blend, it pulverizes. Ice, seeds, fibrous greens, everything disappears into a perfect vortex. The 48-ounce container hits a sweet spot, big enough for a family smoothie round, small enough for solo soups or sauces. 10 variable speeds and a pulse function make it feel like an instrument, not a gadget. Want velvety soup? 6 minutes later, it's steaming from the friction heat. Craving texture? Pulse roasted cauliflower or potatoes back into the mix. The trick is simple but satisfying. Load from light to heavy, let gravity and blade geometry do the rest, and the vortex does all the work. The self-cleaning mode is one of those small luxuries that feels like cheating. Warm water, a drop of soap, 60 seconds, like cheating. Warm water, a drop of soap, 60 seconds, done. No disassembly, no drama. Noise is the only tax for this kind of muscle, but power rarely whispers. Built like a tank, backed by a 5-year warranty, the E310 isn't a status symbol. It's a reliable daily ritual machine. The kind of blender that earns its keep and refuses to quit. Coming in number 2, Ninja BN801 Professional Plus Kitchen System. The Ninja BN801 Professional Plus Kitchen System is less of an appliance and more of a command center for the ambitious home cook. With 1400 peak watts under the hood, it crushes ice, pulverizes fruit, and turns nuts into smooth butter without blinking. Its Auto IQ technology feels like a quiet assistant. 5 preset programs pulse, blend, and pause with perfect rhythm, so every smoothie or dough batch comes out right on cue. The 72-ounce total crushing pitcher handles big family batches, while the 8-cup processor bowl is the unsung hero, precise enough for chopping vegetables, tough enough to knead biscuit dough or grind meat. The 2 24-ounce to-go cups make mornings faster. Blend, twist, and run. It's a thoughtful setup, smart, modular, and unapologetically powerful. Still, this Ninja demands respect. Its blades are dangerously sharp, Its roar could wake the neighbors, and it punishes dishwasher shortcuts. The glue under the blade base doesn't love heat. Hand washing is safer, even if it tests patience. But in function and design, it earns its space. A single system that replaces 3 kitchen gadgets, blending power and practicality with style. This machine doesn't just help you cook, it keeps up with how you actually live. Coming in number 1. Ninja BL770 Mega Kitchen System. The Ninja BL770 Mega Kitchen System earns its name. Mega power, mega versatility. With a 1500-watt motor and total crushing blades, it turns ice into snow in seconds and fruit into liquid silk without complaint. It's a kitchen multi-tool built for real life, replacing a blender, food processor, and personal smoothie maker in one compact, if slightly bulky, unit. The 72-ounce pitcher handles party-sized batches, while the 8-cup processor bowl tackles chopping, pureeing, and even kneading up to 2 pounds of dough in 30 seconds. 2 16-ounce Nutri-Ninja cups add a practical touch. Blend your smoothie, snap on a lid, and head out the door. Safety is quietly brilliant. The motor won't run unless everything is locked in. Saving fingers from overzealous blades. And while cleaning those blades can be tricky, they're wickedly sharp and oddly shaped, the parts are dishwasher safe for the cautious. This isn't a commercial-grade beast, but it never pretends to be. It's a reliable all-rounder built for convenience and consistency, not countertop bragging rights. For anyone chasing minimalism without sacrificing muscle, the Ninja BL770 is a dependable daily workhorse. Loud, sharp, and smart enough to make life in the kitchen smoother.